Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about artificial life and social based learning. In this topic, first we are going to discuss what is artificial life. So it's also known as a life. Here is the definition for that. I'm going to discuss the first point. The study and creation of lifelike behaviors in AI involves understanding how living organisms behave and then replicating those behaviors using AI technologies. This approach helps in advancing AI capabilities. We have a lot of examples for that. The Sony's Aibo, yeah, it's a robotic pet. It's one of the examples for that. It uses AI to learn from interactions and recognize faces. A book can display emotions. It responds to its environment, resembling real animals' behaviors. Another example is autonomous vehicles like companies like Waymo and Tesla is they are develop self-driving cars that use AI system to navigate real world environments. Another example is self-learning AI video games. AlphaGo computer program that plays the board game known as Go. It's introduced by DeepMind Technologies. Next example is virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. So in the second point, it means AI take inspiration from how living things evolve and change over time. By doing this, AI can learn about and deal with complex problems found in nature and life. I'll be make it simple for your better understanding. AI works like rabbit tried to get away from a fox or rat tried to get away from a cat. A lot of examples are in nature. The rats tried different ways to escape. The fastest and smartest rats survive. AI does the same by trying different ways to solve the problem and picking the best one, like iteration program. Then it keeps improving that way to get even better. This helps to AI become really good at solving problems, just like how rats get better at escaping over time. AI learns how to handle tricky problems in nature and life. This helps AI understand and solve hard problems. AI can learn from nature in two main ways. First one is genetic algorithms. These works like nature's way of evolving. They try different solutions, mix the best part, make small changes, and pick the best one to keep improving. And the another way of learning is neural networks. These are inspired by how our brains work. They learn from experience and get better over time, just like how we do when we practice and learn new things. Next, we are going to discuss what is social based learning. The definition is in here. I'm going to explain the definition in detail. Social based learning in AI means that artificial intelligence system learn by interacting with people and other AI systems. Thus, learning involves watching and copying. That is, AI observes what others do and try to imitate those actions. Understanding social cues, the AI learns to pick up on and respond to signals. Means social signals like facial expressions or tone of voice. Next point is improving from feedback. The AI gets better by receiving feedback from its interactions, learning what works well and what doesn't. This approach helps AI system to become more effective in roles like virtual assistants, robotics, and educational tools by making them better at understanding and interacting with humans. There are some real life examples or have some common examples are there. I'll explain that for your better understanding. Imagine a robot learning to make a cup of coffee. It watches a human preparing the coffee. The robot then tries to replicate the step to make a cup of coffee on its own. Next example is virtual assistants like Siri can recognize when you sound happy or frustrated based on your tone of voice and respond appropriately. Another one is customer service chatbot learns from user interactions. If a user says, "Thank you, that was helpful," it takes this as a positive feedback. If a user says, "This doesn't help," it sees this as a negative feedback. Over time, the chatbot improves its responses based on this feedback to become more helpful. That's all about this. Thank you.